Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to NerdyPixelStudios, and today we're going to be doing a pixel art Let's Draw, but not on some super hard to find pixel art. We're going to be doing it on good old Google Sheets. Now you might be wondering, how do you do pixel art in Google Sheets? Well, allow me to explain. If you go over here, you can see that I've made a little key of all the different colors that we're going to be using. It's the basic colors, and then some other different variations of it that will be useful during the later, man, my words keep failing me today, later during this episode. So, if you come over here, if you click on this in conditional format rules, we can see that if you type in A in a box, the fill color and the text color are exactly the same. It's the same thing for all of these, so that's basically how it works. It's extremely simple. And then A1 is just over here. And then BH is how far down it goes. So I set the BH all the way down to 200, even though this goes to 1,000. I don't think we're going to be going that far, but we probably will for later episodes. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. But the first thing we're going to start with is good old Mario. We're going to do the original NES Super Mario Bros. Mario. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to place 5 red blocks in a row, or red squares. I'm doing this by typing in E in the box, and then moving my arrow over. As you can see, the box turned red, so we're going to place 5 of them. So, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I'm going to come over here and place 3 more. Then we're going to fill this in, and then bring this out 1 more, just like that. Then we're going to switch to black by typing in A, and we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. Then we're going to come over here, drop it down 1 more, and 1 more after that. Then we're going to come over here and do another one right there. Then once we're done with that, we're going to come over here and we're going to place 2 and 3 more, and then bring it over in an L, just like that. Now, once we are done with that, sorry, my thing fell asleep there. So now, once we're done with that, we're going to skip to, come over right here, and we're going to place 2 more black blocks like this. Oh, whoops. Come over right here, place another 2 more, place this one out just like this, and then place 2 more right here so it's perfectly lined up with the hat, as you can see. Then what you are going to do is we're going to start filling in the skin. So I'm going to use H for this because that's about as realistic as this image that's next to me is going to show me. So we're going to do 1, 2, just like this, and then put 1 there, 1 there, then bring this out 2, whoops, just like this. You know what, I don't like this color. I think we're just going to go with yellow. So let me delete all these squares, just like this. Then we're going to go with yellow, and I is yellow. So once again, we're going to do that. Bring this over here, 1, bring it down, and then bring it out 2. Come down over here, fill this in, and bring it out 3. Then once we are done with that, we're going to come over here, and then bring this all the way down until right here. Then we're going to fill this in. Just like that. Then, of course, we're going to fill this in over here. Just like that. Now, once we are done with that, we're going to take our blue, which is M. I'm choosing to use the slightly darker blue for this. And we're going to bring it over 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, nope, sorry. We're not going to be using blue for this. We're going to be using, what should we use? I'm thinking we're going to use red. So let's use red. We're going to use E. Once again, we're going to bring it over 1. Oh, whoops. E. E. So we're going to bring this over just 2. Then we are going to take our blue for his suspenders, which is M. Then we're going to drop that down 3. Then we're going to take a yellow, which is I, do this, and then once we are done with that, we're going to go back to M, do this 2 times, put in another yellow, and then put in more blues. Then we're going to come out over here, this being filled in with blue, come down here, and then drop this 4, 2, 3, and 4. And then do the same thing right over here. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once we are done with that, this is going in. Whoops. So as you can see, we are basically just filling this in. These are the suspenders, if you can see. So this is going all the way down. This is stopping right here, these two. Oops. And then this as well is going all the way down. So now, once we are done with that, this right here, we're going to fill these 2 boxes in, and then do the same thing on the other side, just like this. Now, once we're done with that, we're going to take our yellow, we're going to place our yellow right here, right here, right here, and then we're going to place another one right here, and then right here, and right here. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Whoops, nope. Sorry about that. We fixed that. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that we are done with that, we're going to focus more on the shirt. So come over here, take your red, which is E, bring this down like this, bring this down like this, fill this in all the way. Oops, just like that. And then we're also going to fill these 4 boxes in just like this. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. So that's 2 down, 1 more down, 1 more just like that, and then fill this in right here. Now, once we're done with that, we are well on our way to being finished. Now what we need to do is the shoes, which are fairly simple. We're going to come over here and we're going to take our brown, which is G, or, well, I coded it as G. You can basically code it as whatever letter, capital letter, symbol, or word you like, but I'm just going to go with the basic alphabet. And lowercase too, because I don't like doing the shift or whatever. So we're going to make 3 in a row right here. Bring this down, and then just bring it out 1 more, and then that's the shoe. So we're going to do the same thing over here. And then we are done with Mario. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to click that like button and subscribe to never miss a video. I look forward to seeing you next time.